Straightaway Travel. Hi, this is Barb Straight with Straightaway Travel, and I am going to show you your essentials for your cruise stateroom. So we have videos about what you need on your excursions, but this video is about how to stay organized and what you need in your stateroom. Staterooms are small and you need some key pieces to help with organization so you have a fantastic cruise. Okay, so you have lots of options with organizing your goods. Keep in mind the beds are raised high enough where your luggage can be stored underneath, so you have that piece. But you're gonna want all of your clothes handy, ready to go, hung up, etc. So I have today a few ideas for you in your closet. There's a couple different options. There's a circular hanger, which I really like this one because you can stack clothes in here. You can have shoes in here. You can have essentials in here. And I really like this circular one. Again, you can hang right in your closet, or you can hang on a magnetic clip on the ceiling or your wall. Another closet organizer this is my favorite just because I can keep it super organized. Yeah, so you can have your underwear and socks and bathing suits, etc. And it's gonna save you a ton of space in your closet to get one of these storage containers for that. A popular one is over the door shoe hanger. This will go right over your door and you can put your sunscreen in here, your sunglasses, your meds, whatever you like. All of this stuff is $10 or less at your local Walmart or Amazon. And then this one I've used for a really long time for jewelry. And I use our magnetic hooks. So this is something you definitely want to have on your cruise. Magnetic hooks. All of the staterooms on cruise ships have magnetic walls and ceilings. So you buy these pack of hooks and you clip them on the wall or the ceiling. So this one, I can have all of my jewelry in here. Think of this as you could even, if you really want to be organized, label it with medicines, etc. So this is another great piece to hang. So your magnetic clips, your magnetic hooks, you gotta have those. So those are key pieces to keeping your stateroom organized. Some other things that you really need for your stateroom. Keep in mind, if there's a family of 4 and you're in a small stateroom, you should have some stuff to help you sleep. So think headphones, think iPads if the kids want to watch a video with headphones at the end of the night. Make sure that you download any videos before you leave home on your Wi-Fi, so you don't need to drain your Wi-Fi if you're buying a Wi-Fi package on the ship. So download a few videos for your kids and make sure that you have headphones for everyone with their chargers. Eye masks are a great thing as well. And there are a lot of sleep aids out there too that can help with that. A lot of vitamins, things like that. Speaking of chargers, you don't want big long extension cords. They could take those away from you. But a nice little charger like this is perfect for where you can connect multiple devices at one time, including your portable charger that you're going to want when you go on your excursions. You're going to want something to keep your stateroom key in. Love the lanyard, super simple, goes around your neck, you won't lose it. There's other great ideas as well. I love my phone case with the little pocket for credit cards or a stateroom key. And it's a nice, trendy, fashionable piece as well. Keep a copy, I say this in all my videos, keep a copy of your travel protection plan in your safe. And when you go on your excursions, you're going to take this with you. Some nice reading material, of course, for your stateroom that you may want. Okay, next up, I have Downy Wrinkle Release. You cannot take a steamer on a cruise ship. It will get confiscated. And you're not going to have an iron in your room. A lot of cruise lines will have ironing boards and irons in the laundry room, but it could be on the other side of the ship. So this works really, really great. Of course, all of your makeup, Nice way to pack it is if you find, this is a Vera Bradley that I've had for a really long time with a hook, but you can get these at a lot of places. It's flat. Again, it's gonna hang on one of those magnetic hooks on the wall, and you can have all of your makeup, a lot of your toiletries right in here. Because your bathroom's small, you don't want all of your toiletries all over your sink in your bathroom. A little tiny mirror is great to have, and you can put it in one of your organizing hanging pieces. Okay, so hydration tablets, gotta have them. Keep them in your stateroom for everyone, your kids, yourself, etc. Always, always, always pack those. Shampoo and conditioner, it is a hit or miss with different cruise lines. So if you are checking a bag and you're not worried about ounces, your 3.4 ounces that are going to be in your check bag, pack shampoo and conditioner. Of course, there's going to be shampoo and conditioner and soap in your shower, in your stateroom. But if you have your must-haves, don't forget those as well. Make sure, of course, you always have your sunscreen available, and keep in your room some moisturizing after sun. You never know if you're going to need that. A nice thing of lotion will help as well. So I do always have at least either a cortisone or a Benadryl cream for bug bites, and then I also will have off as well. So other than in your medicines that you have to take every day, allergy relief is a good one. Dramamine is a big one. Ibuprofen is a big one. Imodium is a big one. And laxatives are a big one because you're not always sure what is going to happen with your stomach on board. I always have an emergency kit with Band-Aids, Neosporin as well. My favorite are the Tums, and Tums Plus also has ginger in it, and has your antacids as well. These are some flushable wipes that I always pack for my children. Those are a great thing to have. This one I love a lot. You pay for your gratuities on your cruise. Your gratuities are going to go to your stateroom attendant, and they're going to go to your servers at the bar and restaurant. But these people are gone from their families a long time, so $10 a day goes a long way. This is totally up to you, but I love being able to do that and leave an extra however much you want. And a nice touch with that is if you bring some thank you cards and hand that to them and a thank you card. So I like that idea. Poopery, great thing, and some air freshener for your bathroom. You're sharing a bathroom for at least a week usually, so keep that in mind. Always have a couple of water bottles and fill those up before you go into your stateroom at night, so you have water during the evening from the filtered water station. And pro tip, if you forget these, when you order room service, ask for a few waters, and you can put those waters in your refrigerator in your room. And then, of course, don't forget your brush and your hair products and your hairspray, all of that. They have a blow dryer. You don't need a blow dryer, but all your other products you do need. And the last thing I do have on my list in the stateroom are straws that are not paper straws. So make sure that you are good for the environment. But if you don't like a paper straw, which I do not, I bring my own straws. I take them back to the room. I rinse those out, and it's really nice to have. So, of course, you need your beach bag in your stateroom so you can carry all of these goods to the pool as well. And we have many other videos that talk about excursions and things that you need for that. So if you enjoyed this, if you appreciate this, please hit like and subscribe to our channel, and make sure that you go to straightawaytravel.com. We take care of our clients at zero cost to you. We cost you no more than if you hit book now online, but we help you with every aspect of your trip for free.